So, what's up mga kachapopoy? This is Pam from Chops Review Center at nandito po tayo para sagutin yung question na to. Now, this question is under po ng theories of crime causation under criminology area. Now, which of the following best describes physiognomy? Now, ano ba yung physiognomy nating tinatawag? Tandaan nyo, si physiognomy po, it is the study ng facial features ng isang tao in relation po sa personality na meron siya. Ibig sabihin, tinitingnan po natin dito kung ano ba yung characteristic na meron ng kanyang muka o kanyang pag-iitsura in relation po sa personality na meron siya ngayon. Now, among the choices po, kung mapapansin nyo, yung letter A natin, it is the practice of determining a person's mental disability and character traits by examining the shape and bumps of the skull. Yung tinutukoy po nating theory dito is yung tinatawag nating phrenology. Si phrenology po, ang pinag-aaralan natin dito kung ano ba yung hugis ng bungo ng isang tao na meron pong kaugnayan sa personality na meron siya. Yung letter C, the theory that some individuals are biologically predisposed to criminal behavior because of inherited or physical traits. Pag sinabi naman po natin sa letter C, it pertains to biological determinism natin. Na kung saan kaya po nagkakaroon ng criminal behavior ang isang tao is because of the physical defects na meron sila at saka po sa heredity na meron po sila. Kumbaga, yung criminal behavior po nila is namamana. And the biological concept that genetic traits passed from parents to offspring can predispose individuals to criminal or antisocial behavior. Now, it is the concept of heredity na kung saan yung mga genetic traits, same as the behavior po, ay pwede daw pong mamana ng isang bata pamula po sa kanyang magulang. So, the answer po dito is letter B. The practice of assessing a person's character of personality from their facial features and physical appearance. So, yun lamang po. Stay tuned po dito sa Chops Review Center and Tutorial Services para sa mga gantong questions na makakatulong po sa inyo para kayo ay maging isang RCrim.